If you're a slim girl like me and sometimes wonder what clothes would flatter your body, make you look more attractive, balanced, and confident, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 10 fashion pieces and outfit ideas that you need in your wardrobe that flatters a slim frame, adds dimension in the right places, and enhances your natural figure. So let's get into the video. The first item on the list is a flared skirt or a flared dress. As a slim girl, adding volume to certain parts of your body gives a balanced proportion, and this is easily done through clothes. So a flared skirt or a flared dress does the job by adding volume to the lower parts of your body, especially when paired with a fitted top. This gives a nicer silhouette and an hourglass illusion. And if you're a slim girl with a broader shoulder and a more narrow hip, then this is a must-have for you in your wardrobe, okay? Because it balances out your body proportions. If you have a broad shoulder and you wear a flared skirt, it gives you a slimmer waist and an almost hourglass figure because of your broad shoulder, small waist, and the flared skirt, at the bottom. So if you're looking to add skirts or dresses to your wardrobe and you're confused whether to go for, pencil or fitted dresses and skirts or flared dresses or skirts, then I'll advise you go for the flared ones because they add volume to the lower part of your body. Speaking of skirts that add volume to the lower half of your body, a pleated skirt is a must-have, okay? The structured folds adds texture and volume to the lower part of your body, balancing a slimmer frame. And when you pair this with a nicely fitted top, it creates proportion and keeps your silhouette chic and put together. The next fashion piece is a mom jean or boyfriend jean. Jean trousers are an essential piece in every wardrobe. They are easy to wear, versatile, and you can create any look from a good pair of jeans. But as a slim girl, you want to make sure that you're investing in the right pair of jeans, and a mom jean or boyfriend jean is your go-to, okay? Boyfriend jeans or mom jeans, let's just call it boyfriend jeans, okay? Boyfriend jeans are a better option for slim girls compared to skinny jeans because they add more volume to your hips and your thighs, giving the illusion of curves. It cinches your waist and adds more structure to your hips. And if you're a slim girl with skinny legs and you're quite insecure about your legs, then mom jeans are your go-to compared to skinny jeans. In my opinion, skinny jeans just make you look skinnier than you already are. Don't get me wrong, skinny jeans are quite flattering on some slim girls, but it's usually the girlies who have a smaller waist and a much broader hips. So if you know you don't fall under this category, you don't have that hourglass figure on a slim body, then mom jeans are your go-to, okay? Just style them with a crop top or a fitted top so that it emphasizes your waist and basically accentuates your hip line. The next is a blazer. Blazers are some of the most fashionable pieces you can own in your wardrobe, and you can never go wrong with a well-structured blazers. A structured blazers can instantly enhance your look. It adds sharpness to your silhouette and enhances your shoulders, which creates balance for a petite and narrow frame. Blazers look so good on slim girls, and my go-to is always a blazer dress. So make sure to invest in a well-structured blazer. They come in different structures, different patterns, different lengths, colors, textures. So you can invest in as much patterns and structures as you want because it instantly elevates your wardrobe. Next up on the list is kimonos and bubu dresses. Kimonos are great for layering. They add flow and drama without overwhelming your frame. Kimonos are very stylish and they also add volume, dimension, and interesting detailing to your outfits. You can style kimono with dresses, any kind of pants, including skinny jeans and bodycon dresses. Kimonos already have volume to them, so you can easily pull off wearing a skinny jean or a bodycon dress underneath a kimono. Remember, as a slim girl, you're trying to add volume to certain parts of your body. So because the kimono already has volume, wearing a skinny jean and a fitted top underneath or a bodycon dress will not make your figure look too plain or too narrow because the kimono is adding the necessary volume and proportion that your outfit needs. And on the other hand, bubu dresses are so voluminous, regal, comfortable, and so stylish without doing too much. There are so many variations of bubu dresses, and you can style a bubu dress as a casual outfit or as a formal outfit. You can wear them for daily errands, and you can also wear them to weddings and events. To avoid looking swallowed, go for bubble dresses with subtle tailoring. Okay, there's a new style of bubble dress that has ropes inside of it that you can easily tie, and that accentuates your waist and adds the right proportion and balance that you're looking for in your outfit. You don't want your bubble dresses to be overly big, especially as a slim girl. It might look nice on ladies who have much thicker body, but for a slim girl, if your bubble is too big or overly baggy on you, it might just take away from the entire style and make you look swallowed and pale. Before we move to the next fashion item, if you're enjoying this video and you're learning a thing or two, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below. Whenever you leave a comment and like the video, YouTube pushes the video to other girlies as well, so don't hesitate to drop a comment and support me. Thank you. The next fashion item are palazzo pants and flowy cotton pants. These items are ideal when you want to look polished. They are very flowy, comfortable, and dramatic in the best way. As slim girls, we are always aiming for balance, and palazzo pants adds volumes to your legs and creates a balanced proportion and gives you that soft glam look. Palazzo pants and flared cotton pants are very versatile. You can style them in different ways, and they come in different cuts and patterns. You can wear them professionally for work or even casually. You can style them with a fitted top, you can style them with tank tops, you can style them with a button down shirt, you can style them with even tops that have volume and structure, and they will still look good and elegant. So palazzo pants or flared cotton pants should be a staple in your wardrobe as a slim girl. Let's talk about satin slip dresses. Satin slip dresses are sleek, sexy, and incredibly flattering on slim frames. They skim your body without clinging so much, and the way a satin drapes over the body adds a soft touch of femininity and elegance. Always go for satin dresses that lightly hugs your waist, because this highlights your natural silhouette. Because as a slim girl, your superpower when it comes to styling your body is your small waist. So don't be afraid to show it off and use it to your advantage. Next on the list is cords and two-piece sets. Sets are so amazing because they make you look instantly put together. They are so comfortable and casual, yet so classy and grown. Invest in cord sets or two-piece sets that highlight your weight and add shape with bold prints and textured fabrics. The next fashion piece is puffy sleeves. Dresses or tops that have puffy sleeves add volume to your upper body, and they make your waist look smaller in comparison. And if there's one thing, I know a lot of slim girls are quite insecure or conscious about their skinny arms, so puffy sleeves helps to hide or take away attention from your slim arms, and honestly they are very stylish and feminine. Just make sure to balance the puff with a more fitted bottom, but you can also go for volume up and volume down. So basically wearing a puffy top and a flared skirt or a palazzo pant, something with volume at the bottom, but you have to make sure that your waist area is fitted, okay, so that it gives you that hourglass illusion. And the last and final fashion piece for today is a bubble skirt. Bubble skirt is not just a fashion trend, it's a statement piece for slim girls if you know how to style it well. They are perfect for adding volume to your lower half, giving the illusion of a wider hip and a more curvy silhouette. The gathered hemline of a bubble skirt creates a bouncy, youthful shape that is fun and eye-catchy, especially on slim frames. Pair it with a fitted or crop top to balance the volume and you're good to go. So there you have it, my top clothing picks that makes a slim girl look more attractive, stylish, and confident. These pieces will help you build a more functional wardrobe and a wardrobe that you love. The secret to having your clothes look good and fit nicely on you is tailoring. If you're not custom making your clothes to fit your body proportions and your style, then you should be tailoring any ill-fitting clothes you have to fit and hold your body perfectly. Remember, it's all about balance, structure, and knowing what enhances your unique shape. Let me know in the comment section which of those pieces you love the most, and also feel free to share your favorite fashion piece if I missed it. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and your family, and most importantly, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.